fans, welcome back to day 5 of Union Pacific Week. Today we're going to catch a southbound grain train near Delaplaine, Arkansas. Love the shot setup. Turned out to be some of the best shots of the week. This one's going to have 2 UP locomotives up front and a rear DPU. Both the ones up front have the new style Union Pacific paint scheme. The second one specifically looks really clean, so I suspect it was repainted pretty recently. This new paint scheme evolved because UP liked the flag logo that they had started putting on the side of the body of the locomotives, but weren't thrilled with how that would start to get damaged. Gets a lot of soot and runoff on that side of the locomotive there. You see that on most of the major railways where the side of the body starts to see paint damage first. They didn't like the appearance of the flag having that damage, so they've moved the flag up onto the cab of the locomotive, up towards the nose, and resumed putting the Union Pacific script logo down the side of the body. So pretty cool to still keep the flag incorporated, but keep it out of that area that's going to sustain likely paint damage first. So couple nice locomotives up front, and then you'll see one of those flag locomotives as the rear DPU pointed out. Come back tomorrow for day 6. We're going to get some drone footage of the Poplar Bluff yard, as well as get a local train coming back into the yard. And then we'll see you back for day 7 on Saturday. We'll have a UP intermodal train in Dexter, Missouri. Hope you guys have enjoyed this look at the Union Pacific Railroad. We'll be back tomorrow with the latest installment. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it out there. If you did, please drop down below and click that thumbs up button to give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, either clicking the subscribe button down below, or you can hit the rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen. Drop us a comment also. We enjoy those, and we'll try to answer them as fast as we can.